Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about how to make a purchase through Poocoin application in Trust Wallet. So you just have to open your Trust Wallet as usual. You have to go to D apps. Now there are two options you can make a purchase. One is you should be provided with a link in your group from where you have been referred to for a Poocoin direct link. That's the best way of purchasing. For example, I have the bullish Poocoin link, this one. This is one of the ways wherein I just click here. This network that you see, Ethereum, I click on this, I change it to Smart Chain. Here you get an option of connect because I already am logged in. So I won't get that option, but if you are not logged in, you will get an option to connect. As soon as you connect your wallet, again you can see your BNB and the other coin that you have because it directly linked that link to it. Now here again you just have to type in the amount that you wish to purchase and click on swap. So as soon as you click on swap, you don't have to select any percentage because it's already auto slippage here. It will automatically select the correct slippage and will make the purchase for you just like this. Now I did not make this transaction. I am just going to tell you the other way. The other way is simple. You type in Poocoin.app, hit enter, change this network to Smart Chain here. Now here you just have to type in the address, the contract address for bullish AF or for any token that you wish to purchase. So I'll just delete this part. So as you can see, it has already searched bullish AF. I'll just need to click here. I need to click on trade. Same, I just need to select the amount that I wish to purchase. I just have to click on swap here. And after click on swap, I just need to approve my transaction here. So as soon as my transaction is approved, again you see it is 0.028. The amount of BNB has changed, has decreased, and the bullish AF has been increased. Now this is one of the best way wherein you can search for your previous transactions that you did, and you can also track what is the current status of the current value of the token, the coin that you purchased. So for an example, currently I purchased at $2. Currently the amount, the value of the token is $1.56. This is just a short term. Obviously it's going to be this token has increased a lot in just 7 days. It has crossed 2 million market cap. So expectation are more from this token with this coin here. Thank you. In the next video we will be discussing about DEX tool purchase. This was Poocoin. We have covered PancakeSwap purchase before. The next one will be DEX tool. If you like the video, do subscribe us. Thank you.